Good morning. What is off the gooch? We're going out today with my family and it's gonna be a lit time. Ew. Aww. Anyways, we're going to this place called Fontaine or something. And we're gonna go and it's gonna be fun. Just a little bit windy. It's really pretty. Oh no. Okay, so I'm about to go into the water. I'm very nervous, very excited. Don't know what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna react. Ooh! Bloody hell, mate, it's a bit cold, ain't it? Ah! So much! So what are those?
Sea donuts.
No. Okay, so get in here and go and touch it.
It's squishy. Oh!
Oh no, it moved!
My man just moved.
I don't like that, that ain't my thing. I'm the queen of messy buns, except this isn't even a messy bun, it's like a disaster bun. Hurricane Katrina looking head ass.
My lord.
Oh my god, they're like,
He definitely ate it. Gracie legit ate it.
Nature is crazy.
Oh
No. Okay,
this is content.
I'm uncomfortable. Wow.
Who is this specimen?
Okay, so the plan is to suss out what coffee shop we want to go to. I don't want to talk loud because I just got a really weird stare from someone for vlogging. So. We're at this restaurant and I got a coffee. It's really good. Fun fact, I actually was going to go to a different cafe before this, went in and realized that the waitresses were extremely rude, and then I walked out. So. Alright, just finished the coffee. We had some fries too. I definitely suggest coming here. I think it's called Luna's. If you're ever in the Fontaine area, I definitely recommend. The coffee was super good and really cheap as well, so yeah. Hello there, what is up? This place is really cute, surprisingly, and yeah, it would be just a shame if I didn't not get something. I hate it so much. I actually really hate it a lot, so. Okay, I'm in a different outfit as you can probably tell, but we're on our way home. But I just took some good Instagram photos. I'm pretty excited about that. Right next to that, like, green wall, don't know if it shows up or whatever. We went to the store, and I got this, like, pure, refreshingly real cranberry grown-up soda. I'm such a rebel because I'm like 15. Oh my god.
Don't worry, it doesn't have alcohol in it.
Obviously not. I'm like 5 years old. Why would I be drinking alcohol? I bought something else. I brought sweets. On our way
I
home.
ate one. Two good. And so did Dad.
Okay, I'm offended. Anyways, so yeah, we're on our way home. I'll insert the pictures like right now. Camels, bro! Camel! Oh my gosh, what's happening? Oh my god, I'm having an intestinal attack. On my video. Hey guys, what is up? I filmed this video literally on Monday and it's now Saturday and I still haven't done the outro for some reason. It's my fault, but whatever. Before I end this video, I want to just do a little bit of a environmental PSA. You know, scientists say we have like 12 years to fix everything. Just make sure you recycle and do your part to help save this beautiful place that we live in because we want to have it for many years to come. Just do your part and let's save the earth, people. Because I really love polar bears and they are not doing well in the place that they live in now because all the ice is melting. which is really sad. Yeah, have you seen a polar bear cub? You want that thing to like suffer? I don't want to suffer. I'm trying to cycle. Anyway, PSA over. I just want to end this video. Thank you for watching. Super random. So random. Most random video ever. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, that's great. Subscribe to my channel if you want more videos from me, because I think I'm pretty cool. Don't you? If you want to follow my Instagram and stuff, it'll be in the description. Like this video. Comment whenever you want. Turn my post notifications on. So you can get a notification every time this human uploads a new video. Isn't that so swag? I think that's pretty swag. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Save the earth. Bye.